Hilton. Ooh. Right.
Wow. Hello. Here's the carpet. We have the study table. We have the bed. The big baby. Warm cookies later. Where's the thingy? I found you. Ta-da! This is JB Town, guys. JB Town. Yay, can swim tomorrow morning. We'll change to our hotel slippers. What are you saying?
We have a pillow menu.
Okay.
So you have natural cotton pillow, natural organic foam pillow, natural latex foam pillow, natural organic contour foam pillow. I'll get it delivered to your room.
Is it for free?
Of course. You can choose which one you want.
So what do we have there?
I'm assuming this is a natural cotton pillow. Which is the best.
Right. Alright, yeah. Guys, we even have a pillow menu. This is cool. See? Surprise!
Look at the view. Happy anniversary.
We have starter. And I'm not sure this is the actual starter.
Not this not starter.
Okay.
It's just for you to be hungry.
Right. It's nice. I like the taste.
Lemon. Some lemonade, raspberry.
Yes, that's a yes.
This is the Norwegian salmon.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you very much.
Okay, start
Thank
there.
you.
You can have the get the pepper and salt.
I'll be happy.
Okay. Yeah.
No worries.
You wanna try first?
No idea what it
Gonna
is.
be Gordon Ramsay-ish. Norwegian salmon something something.
It's like a mousse. Huh.
We're not used to fine dining.
There's a course on the tissue how to like what these are for. I have no idea what it's made into.
I feel like quite fishy for me.
Definitely egg. So I recognize the taste.
Is it like a tofu?
Yeah, so the Sam bring me food. I need to guess what it is.
Is that kind of fine dining, babe? It's nice. So fish cake and a...
It's a chicken. It's a chicken sausage. What do you think about it? You will like this.
What is this again? Is it chocolate?
No. It's like a candy. See, there's a nice, like a viscous crumb at the bottom of your sorbet. So sorbet is very refreshing. Passion fruit. They ran out of mint. This is amazing. Underneath there's like some breadcrumbs, biscuit crumbs.
Oh my god. It's so nice. Thank you. Boxing anniversary gift. Both mine.
Yep.
Really? Crafted pen. Oh, this is nice. Look. Not cheap, okay? A cute ass pen. You're trying to ask me to write more. You big.
Yeah.
You got your hands. Okay, play.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feel it. I'm loving this moment. I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Checking out, guys. Checking out. Checking out. Okay. Goodbye, Hilton.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset, man, you're looking good
Desaru
tonight.
Beach.
I wanna
It's so long
kiss
since
you
we've been
before
here.
the sun goes down. It's what you do.